So, the first shot. What Ronnie does different than other players? I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. This technique is not suitable for everyone, but many players are fans of Ronnie because Ronnie is the most popular player in snooker. And I will explain in detail why he does and how he does it. Something that Ronnie technique is not good, which is bullocks. His technique is amazing, and the way he delivers the cue is like a music. And I will show you exactly how to achieve that. Okay, the first shot, I have a small angle for the black, and somehow I need to generate lots of stun and make position for the red. So normally players are hitting to the center and finishing the center, and he does complete opposite. He aims a little bit below center, and during the backswing he aims to the center and delivers cue parallel. Incredible cue action. So it looks like that. I will show you example. So let's say I'm aiming a little bit below, then I'm dropping and hitting through the cue ball. And this technique helps him to have a massive follow through, slight elbow drop, and hit the ball with the very good consistency for him. So here's the angle, and sure, like aim slightly below cue ball center, during cue delivery drop down to the center and hit cue ball through. So let me show me. You see how much speed I generated with such a technique? It's amazing. Let you show me more shots like that. Now I explain in detail. He aims a little bit below cue ball center during impact point. And then as he does cue delivery, he points or drops his elbow slightly, keeps his chin together so his head moves downwards, and downwards it's okay, it's nothing bad. Bad thing is when it moves up and sideways, but down is not bad. And then as he pushes cue through the line, keeps the parallel cue movement. So it looks like that. And shot. Now I didn't hit well. So what he does, he aims below cue ball center like that, and during cue impact point he hits center. Let you show me how. Looks amazing, yeah? Just below cue ball center, during impact point, then he drops his elbow slightly and finishes center. And then he has a massive follow through. Ronnie's set is not basic, not academical set. Like many players are much lower on the shot, and he's more steep like that. So when he plays a shot like that for the blue ball with all around the table, he stands a little bit steeper like that, correct? And then he aims above, maybe just slightly above cue ball center, and then during impact point he drops his elbow and hits cue ball with more topspin, which is crazy shot, by the way. And then he drops his elbow. So look what I want to say. Only he can do that. Maybe Trump is good at that, but Trump uses a little bit wrist action. But we talk about Ronnie, so stick with Ronnie. Do you like it? You see how much I drop the elbow, but I still keep my grip to my chest. I did generate so much speed on the cue ball. This is one of the shots which Ronnie is incredible. And this is just how he drops his elbow and generates so much speed. And players, when they do that shot and try to copy, they drop in completely the elbow, which is total collapse. They cannot achieve great results. So be mindful about that. You know, it's really difficult technique to replicate, but if you can achieve that, you can achieve amazing results. Okay, so this is a screw back shot, as how Ronnie plays screw back shot. So basically he does a little bit opposite. He aims to the number 2 area around here, then he pulls his cue, bends his cue slightly on the backswing, and then he hits to the number 3 and finishes number 2. So aims right here and finishes number 2 right over there. So I will show you different screw back shots for different positions. First I will make a screw back shot for the red over there. then I will make position for the blue, and then I will make position for the reds. I will use the same principle, just different cue power. That means I will use number 3, finish with number 2 area on the cue ball. So aim just a little bit below cue ball center and finish number 2 as I do my backswing. It's a small detail, it's quite difficult to explain for the average intermediate player, but it's fun to do that. And I will have a slight elbow drop and you will see how much follow through I will create. Okay, first shot, number 3 air on the cue ball, and just elbow drop. You see, this is how Ronnie does. I drop my elbow, I keep my grip on the chest, and this is how I have a control. And I have so much freedom, so much beauty on that stroke. And if you can do that well, I mean, you're a lucky man, you know. But let's say that I'll play for the blue. I will use same principle, but just a little bit more power. I won't change anything, we just do the same thing. Okay? So, same thing, number 3 area. Here I hold my cue on the back just to have more follow through. We talked about that. Here, and just more power. It's got a good shot, just maybe play it with not enough power. It's all good. So, same principle. You see? I drop my elbow, I make position for the blue ball. And now I will make position for the black, let's say. A deep screwback shot. I mean, no one does better shot like maybe Trump does, but Trump, as I said, uses his wrist action, and it's also very difficult to replicate, but this is gonna be another video topic. So, deep screwback shot. So look to my elbow drop and look the way I'm bending my cue. Ronnie, elbow drop, cue on the air, grip to my chest, position for the black. Now, as an example, I will show you a deep screwback shot from the red to the black. And this shot, I love to do that. I will use a Ronnie cue action and I can achieve that. Cannot hit the ball better, it's just incredible timing.
It was a snooker lesson from the third video course Snooker Basics Intermediate level. The course is all about tiny details in technique, cue ball control, the mental side. So, if you are a player who has some experience in snooker and want to learn more complicated stuff, contact me privately on WhatsApp. See you there!